Hey everyone, Gil or graymanprepping. I got some stuff a while back and I talked about it. I never actually did an unboxing on it, but I have already put one in use, and if you've been watching the live streams, you see me using it on every live stream since I got it. So I got two of them. So I got the other one here, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you everything that comes with it and talk about why I got these. And so let me get this opened up here. Okay, so right off the top, it's got a carrying strap, which I won't be using. It's got a special top for it, just a plain top, which I probably won't be using. Let's see here. It has the top that has the opening on it, where you just open it up and you can just chug right out of it. May or may not be using that ever. What I like about it, it has these different tops that comes with it, so you can use this different ways. Now, let's see here. Pull everything out. It comes with some paperwork on it and talks about it. And it's got a little cleaning straw here cleaning brush for the straws. Let's open it up, and it comes with 2 straws in it. And it comes with the flip top, which is what you'll use the straw for to reach the bottom of it, so you can just suck right on it. I'm going to be tossing all of these into the sink to wash them up here in a minute. And it comes with this one came assembled with more stuff on it here. So has a paracord carrying handle on it with a little compass, which really, okay, if you tap it enough, it finally moves. So it's got an air bubble in there, so really cheap. Let's see what else. Okay, it does have the thing on here so you can open it up. The clip here has a whistle on it. Ow. But I didn't get it for any of that stuff. Has a carabiner so you can hook it on your pack or whatever as well. But let me do some other stuff here on here. And what's neat is, okay, so it has an unzip off the bottom here. Opens it up, and this is the color of it without the semi-insulated. Yeah, it's an insulated cover over it. But in using it, I don't want these on here, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this here right now. Get it to release here. And I really put it on there tight. There we go. Got it off. And so, this is a half-gallon water bottle, or they call it, they use another term for it other than bottle because it's metal. But it's double-walled. So it has a little bit of insulation properties. Yeah, I got this insulation on it. Works better. But the one I've been using is it's really good. It lasts me through a couple of live streams and watching videos and keeping up on stuff during the day. And so I probably fill it up every day and a half or whatever, because I also have another one at the computer where I'm doing my writing at. And I got another one in the bedroom before I go to bed. When I get up, like Thursday night, I have it right there. So, yeah, between the 3 of them, I get probably a good 1.5 gallons of water a day, so I keep hydrated right. And so what is really neat about these is they're not plastic. And even though some of the plastics ones say, oh, they don't have the PAFS or PFSA or whatever the heck it is, particles that, the one they're talking about now is all the key one. But there's more than just the one type of plastic, that chemical stuff it gives off from plastic. There were 2 of them that I mentioned in a live stream last year. The thing is, though, even if you are using the ones that are quote safe, I've found out that even those, just for picking them up, moving them around, and everything else, they give off a lot of micro plastic particles, just because it's the wear and tear on them. Whereas these, it's steel. You might release some carbon and some oxygen because it's carbon and iron because it's stainless steel. But hey, these are also going to last years longer than the other ones, and not be putting all that plastic crap into your body. So that's why I'm getting these. I got an extra one for the staff sergeant, for when she's up here, she can have one to use. She may or may not want to take it home, but she already got her another one for home anyways. All right, so that's what I got here. That's why I'm using these, why I got these. So just remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Good containers to store your water in. Learn a new skill every month and work on your indoor garden, because we've got the indoor garden challenge going. And it's something you might be interested in. All right, take care.